Good morning students. Today we will do exercise 8b. Factor. Factor is the number which can divide a given number without leaving any remainder. Means when you divide a number with its factor, you always got the remainder as 0. Properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Every non-zero number is a factor of itself. Means except 0, all numbers can divide itself. The factor of a non-zero number is either less than or equal to the number. Okay. Then the smallest factor of every number is 1 and the greatest factor of every number is number itself. Now question number 1 is 8 a factor of 760? To find this, what you will do, you divide 760 with 8. If you got 0 as a remainder, then 8 is the factor of 760. So you can see I put cross here, means there I got no remainder. 0 is a remainder here. So 8 is the factor of 760. Now question number 1, 2, 5 are same. You can do like that, okay, by dividing the numbers with the given number. Now see question number 6. Find all factors of 35. You all know 1 can divide 35. You can write it like this: 1 multiplied by 35. Okay, 1 and 35 both are the factors of 35. 2 cannot divide 35. Okay, 3 in 3's table 35 will not come. 4 9s are 36. Again in 4's table 35 will not come. 5 7s are 35. Okay, now you can see. Then 6 cannot divide 35. 7 can, already we have written. So you can write the factors of 35 like this: 1, 5, 7 and 35. Okay, 1, 5, 7 and 35. Now come to question number 7. Find all factors of 54. Okay, to do this, first of all, you all know 1 can divide 54. You can write it like this: 1 multiplied by 54. Yes, you 54, you divide 54 with 2 and you got the answer 27. You can write it like this: 2 multiplied by 27 is equal to 54, because 2 and 27 both are the factors of 54. Then divide 54 with 3. 3 18s are 54. Then you see 4. 4 cannot divide 54 because you got the remainder 2. So I put cross here, that 4 is not the factor of 54. 5. Now take the next number 5. You all know the numbers which are ending with 0 and 5, only that numbers are divisible by 5. So 54 is also not divisible by 5. So we will not, no need to do the division. Okay, now 6 9s are 54. Okay, so we are writing here 6 9s are 54. Now 7. See the 7. 7 also cannot divide 54 because in 7's table 54 is not coming. 8. In 8's table also 54 is not coming. Now you know 9 6 are 54. Now you already written 9 here. So now stop doing further division here. You have already written all the factors here. Now you can write in this way: factors of 54 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. Okay. Now come to question number 8. We have to find the factors of 78. 1 can divide 78. So 1 and 78 both are the factors of 78. 2 can divide 78. Here I have done the division. 2 39s are 78. Now 3 can divide 78. 3 multiplied by 26 is 78. Now 4 I checked with 4. I got no, because remainder is 2. So we are not writing 4. Now next number is 5. You can see 5 can not divide 78 because 78 is ending with 8 and we need 0 or 5 here. Okay, then come to 6. To 6, divide 78 with 6, you will get the 30. Okay, this division you can do yourself. Okay, I left this division for yourself. Don't write directly, do the division here. I have done 3 divisions here. One division you can do yourself. Divide 78 with 6, you will get the answer 13. 16 13 the 78. Now 7. 7 cannot divide 78. You all can see 7 10s are 70 and 7 11s are 77. It means 78, the next number to 77, it is not divisible by 7. Now come to 8. You all can see that 4 cannot divide 78. So 8 also cannot divide 78. Okay. Then 9. In 9's table also 78 is not coming. 10 also cannot divide 78. 11 also cannot divide 78. 12. 12 6 are 72 and 12 7s are 84. In 12's table also 78 is not coming. Then 13. 13 6 are 78. We have already written 13 here, so no need to do further. We have already written all the factors here. So you can write in this way. Factors of 78 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 13, 26, 39, 78. You start writing from here and go in this way. Okay. Then question number 9. Find all the factors of 144. I have done all the divisions here. Okay. You will also do. Okay. Then after doing divisions, you can see. You will write the factors 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Writing from this up to 12. 12, 12 the 24. Then 12, 16. Don't write 12 2 times. 12, 16, 18 like this. Okay. Now see question number 10. You have to write the smallest and greatest factor of 125. And smallest factor of every number is 1. And greatest factor of every number is the number itself. That is 125. Okay. 125. Smallest factor of 120 is 1 and largest factor of 120 is 120. These are the fill-ups. I have written answers here. Okay, these fill-ups you can do in your book. Okay, I have written here do in book only. No need to write in the notebook. Other all questions you will do in your fair copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.